Did you hear that? It sounds like there's a lot of different birds outside. Different bird calls and bird sounds. Do you think you know any of birds? What kind of birds do you know and can you name? In this lesson, you're going to explore the biodiversity of birds. And biodiversity is a variety of different animals or plants in a habitat. Okay? You're going to explore which birds eat what and if they eat bird seed or not. Okay? At the end of the lesson, you're even going to design your own bird feeder, and some of you will even create one.